Campers, Coachmen Clipper is stepping up their game. They now come standard with a double solid step entrance, a magnetic door hold, a battery disconnect switch. Yes, finally, a battery disconnect switch are on the Coachmen Clipper. So stick around and let's check out this brand new 12BH floor plan. This 12BH comes in weighing at just $24.99 and is 7.5 feet long, like most of their travel trailers now. That is definitely different for the Coachmen Clipper line. We don't have all the specs on it, but we'll get more as we come because this is a brand new floor plan. It comes with a 2 5/16 ball, manual tongue jack, 7-pin round wiring with the electric brake package. We have a 20-pound propane tank. And finally, they put in a battery disconnect switch up front. Green is on, red is off. Over on the side, you'll see the marker lights, one at each corner. And up here are the stickers showing us all of our information from the VIN to the PSI to the manufacturer date. Over here is our fire escape window. Here is brand new to the Coachmen Clipper line as well, Suburban on-demand water heater. Outside propane furnace exhaust. Down here we also have valves on these low point drains now. Over here's our fresh water fill when we're going boondocking. Our tires, 205 75 14s. Up top is our hood vent. Make sure we open and close that as we're using that inside to exhaust those fumes when we're cooking. All new decals on this thing as well. Down here's our dump station. Gray is okay, black is for crap. Gray is for the drains, black is for the toilet. We also have our sensors in here for the wires to show the sensors in the tanks. Back here are going to be our rear stab jacks, 30 amp power cord plug here, and a little satellite cable plug there. Make sure you bring your coaxial cable with you. On the back, we have our city water connection. That's when we have pressurized water at the campground. And then right above that, we have our black tank flush. This is to flush out our sewer system. Just make sure we open that all up before we turn on that pressurized water. Right above is our air conditioner. And then we are wired for a backup camera with a bracket here. And we also have our Lippert on the go ladder bracket. And I just so happen to have a Lippert on the go ladder, so we hooked it up. Up top, we have a 200-watt solar panel. The solar panel is an extra option that we added on. We have 2 rear stab jacks, a beautiful electric awning with an LED light strip underneath, that leash link to hook up the pets, and that little spot to pop the beer with a bottle opener. We also have our kitchen window, showing you that beautiful light strip. We have 120 volt power right here. Double step, solid step entrance. Some outside storage up front with our solar controller, manual stab jack handle, and our 30 amp power cord plug. Right here's the solar controller. Magnetic door hold on here now. Guys, Coachmen's really stepping up their game. We have that porch screen door, little entry door handle. When we first walk in, we'll see that fire extinguisher, full-size bed up front, with a little nightstand and charging station, and a little storage compartment. Above that, we're wired for a TV. We have all of our lights with the center switches. Front shelf that covers the whole front end. Over here next to our exit window that pops right open. Now we're going into our kitchen area with our on-demand hot water. Turn it on, turn it up and down, turn it off, and then you can turn it between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Then our standard GF CI plug, stainless steel sink, Whoop. There's a cup rinser. I think those are stupid, but there's a heater. Under sink storage and under stove storage. Right here's a 2-burner stove with the light. Above we have our hood and fan and the microwave. Overhead storage next to that. Master control panel over here showing us our levels for our water and our battery. How to operate our awning with the retract or extend, and our water heater and water pump switches, plus our light switches. We have a master control switch here. It does not operate all of them though. Make sure you check out your bathroom and up front underneath your bed. Right here's your thermostat. Turn it on, turn it up, check out your temperature. Now we're going into our dry bath. The reason why it's called a dry bath is because not everything gets wet. We have our toilet, light switch and plug, mirror, shower with a vent above the shower. And if you want to put in a little 12-volt fan, you can run it off the light. Right outside of here, we've got our fuse box and breaker box that's auto detect, so we can run lead acid, lithium, or AGM batteries. Next to that's our carbon monoxide detector, and above that is our 12-volt fridge with a little freezer section. Let me tear this off. Everybody needs to see that little freezer section. There you go. Countertop above, 5,000 BTU AC. Window on the top bunk. Both bunks do have USB ports. There's blackout blinds on all the windows all the way around. Below this bunk, we have storage. And then on the top bunk, it holds up to 300 pounds. This is the 12BH by Coachmen Clipper, an awesome new floor plan that they're just coming out with this year. Now let's bring in that awning. Close those steps. We really want to make sure that door's all the way open so we don't hit the tabs. Make sure you push it in, latch it in with that latch on the left. And then always adjust the legs so they're not up too tall. And slam the bottom of the door when you're opening and closing it. That is the 12BH. All right, we've reached the end of the video. And I really want to know, what do you guys think of the new upgrades? Coachmen Clipper is adding a lot to their game this year. They've got a bunch of stuff going on. All their stuff comes with a black tank flush, the battery disconnect switch, that double step solid step entrance. They also have the 200 watts of solar up top. I mean, that's awesome. Plus, they're going through and finding the good floor plans that are selling and trying to kind of manipulate them and go with what sells. So it makes sense, and we're hoping to see Coachmen go a long way this year. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. I have a lot more camper comparisons, a lot of gear reviews, and a whole bunch of camper tours. Plus, I live in a converted van. So stick around, keep coming back, and I'll see you all next week. Bye, everybody. Double step, solid step entrance. Magnetic door hold? Oh crap, it's not open.